Hey, it's Pat McGrew here with INKISH, and we are at Printing United with Mike Herold from EMT. So let's talk to Mike about what is new at EMT and what they think is the most important thing for you to take away. So Mike, it's great to see you again.
It's great to see you. I love how you and I live in the same state, 30 minutes from each other, and we only see each other around the world.
At Schutz.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
But in your role at EMT, you've just been blooming, because since you went to EMT, we've noticed a big change in not only the talk track from EMT, but even the products.
Right.
So tell me a little bit about that change.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. So I've been here, we realized on the way down here, it's my third Printing United with EMT. It's but a little over 2 years, because I started with EMT right before 2023 Printing United. It's been fantastic. The way we kind of look at it internally is we're a startup building on an 85-year history, right? So it's a company that's been around for 85 years, gives us a great foundation to work with, great history, great legacy, but also an opportunity to take that legacy and move it into the future. So we're really excited about that.
I think that traditionally we always thought of EMT as the place to go when we needed something built.
Yes.
And now you're building for a more general need in the printing market.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. If you think about what our legacy or what our sort of reputation is in the marketplace, is one, incredibly durable equipment, really meets customer requirements. Our existing customers continually come back to us. And there is this sort of history there about if there was ever something challenging to do, call EMT and they can probably help with it. And that absolutely is true. And we love that. And at the same time, all of those custom solutions are really built off standard offerings as well too, which we want people to be more aware of and bring to the marketplace. And so we're really innovating on those standard solutions, bringing new things to the marketplace, like this new Vera cutting platform that we've got here at the show today, which really reflect an opportunity that we have to say, we've been listening to the marketplace. We've been bringing people to the facility in Green Bay. We've been out at these events like this, listening, trying to be responsive by design and bring these new solutions to the marketplace.
What makes the Vera different from previous EMT offerings and anything else in the market?
Yeah, so it does really reflect, again, this listening tour that we've been on, and it really helps EMT push into a new marketplace as well too. So if you think about the history of kind of EMT digital solutions, it has been very focused on sort of transactional business applications, and we've been very, very good at that, from perforating, processing, punching, really doing any sort of thing that we need to the sheet, and then cutting and stacking those basic functions as well too. Vera is a new era for us, for lack of a better term, in that we are really now pushing in, leveraging this heavy-duty, robust, our ability to manage high-speed, precision web handling, bringing our capabilities there full on into the direct mail and general commercial print marketplace. And this is really a reflection of our strategy to do just that.
So it's new, it's like new colors, it's right. Everything about it just says new. Yeah. But then you also have partnerships you've brought into the relationship.
Yeah, we really know that a lot of our success is driven by our ability to collaborate and integrate with others in the industry. So for sure here we've got a Horizon buckle folder that we've got here on the booth today. We've got Spencer Metrics here. We've got Videc. We've got a number of the OEMs that helped us produce rolls. We know that our success is really driven through those relationships with our partners, and we absolutely are full on leaning into extending those relationships, adding to those relationships. Mohit Ubrar, our CEO, really runs a very transparent organization, very open to other people, explaining to them who we are, what we do, where we want to go, and knowing that we've really got to lean into those partnerships, expand them and grow them to get where we want to go, and we will continue to do that for sure.
As you've been here talking to people and getting their reaction to the Vera, what's the thing you hear from them?
It's the response has been incredibly positive. I can say the show today has been, I think we've achieved everything in the show today that we thought we would get done over 3 days. When we look at kind of our objectives for how many customers we wanted to interact with and all the conversations we wanted to have, I feel like we've done 3 days in 1 day. But the feedback has been very, very positive in terms of what customers are seeing about new capabilities we're putting into the system around reliability, around usability, speeds, paper handling, media capability, integrated creasing, scoring, punching, perfing, sheeting, chip cutting, all into a very small footprint. Customers are looking at that and saying, there's not anything else like this in the marketplace that does this in this kind of footprint, this kind of capability.
And since you're collecting all this data, it means you can participate in dashboards and other metric collection for analysis.
That's right. So collecting a tremendous amount of data, which of course we can access remotely. That's a big part of the service that we bring and support that we bring to customers. But again, back to that transparency and openness, what our philosophy is, we provide a data interface to anybody that wants it, right? So again, that's a Spencer Metrics, that's somebody else, whoever needs to capture that data and utilize it for whatever it is for operational efficiency or operational excellence, we want to support that. And so we provide the way to do that and share that data with them, for sure.
Mike, thanks so much for taking us on a tour of EMT.
That's right.
And the brand change and the new equipment. We wish you the best.
Thank you, Pat. It's great seeing you. Thank you.